Hello friends, in this video I gonna to show you how to create wireless report on Windows 10 PC. Firstly click on start, type CMD. Now right click on command prompt, click on run as administrator. Now type this command line net sh space wlan space show space wlan report, then press enter. So CMD will generate a report. Now just you need to copy this URL. So select it and press Windows and press Ctrl C. Now open any web browser and paste here. So you will see this wireless report on your browser. Here you can find all the summary and disconnecting time. If you have any issues, so you can check from here. So that's it friends. By this very quick and very easy method, we can generate wireless report on Windows 10 PC. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video work for you or not.